assistant, the time that you have devoted for us, and we're really glad to have attended these classes, because actually at the beginning we thought we're not going to go on epidemiology classes because of some things, and then when we have learned that a course will be on epidemiology will be class, then we're really grateful for that, and for the time that we have devoted, as I said, and for all of the assistants that came here, because we're really happy for that. And the course has been done really clearly, such a way that you have really understood all of the contents. It's true the contents was, were big, and the time that have been accorded for this content was a little small, so that the things have been really quick in some part, and, but the course have been clear, and we're really glad for that. And once again, I want really being the mouthpiece of Master 2 students to say thank you for your time.
So we should also give him more of the applause. Okay, Professor and your team, we are really very glad for the way you have taken us this week. I must tell you that over the week it has been an interesting outing with you. The humors you have added to the lectures, and how you can see that we have been smiling, and that is how you kept us with the lecture. And you know, without this, I don't think we would have flowed with you. And we will so much appreciate your sensitivity. Whenever you see us bored, you know how to bring us back into the lecture situation. We sincerely thank you so much, and we appreciate you and your team. Actually, from the beginning of this lecture, we expected so much, and you actually...
Because we realized that we made our stay here very comfortable. Yeah. Like in our coming and going, language was going to be a barrier at first, but immediately some of you had to go with us to plan things, to interact with the people. You dedicated your time taking us on bike early in the morning, you come to pick us and return us, making Sitek and the team. Thank you so much. So we look forward to working with you more than this. Thank you so much.
I am so glad to meet with you from Nigeria. I remember that I used to come to Benin some few years back for different meetings, conference, workshop, and all that. And I still remember some few professors I have met here, like Professor Gonu from Sigma, and then some from IMSP. I have some friends there, Guy Degla and all that. So, and I know that Benin is in those days when I was doing my PhD, I used to stay in Benin, for quite some time, because I have some friends here. So it's like Benin is our second home, a place where we have a lot of friends, people that we can relate with. So coming back here, I'm so glad. One, to make impact, and two, in those days, Benin were giving to me in terms of I used to attend conference, I was learning some things. Now I'm giving back to Benin. So it's a good thing now. I appreciate all of you, and I hope we'll be able to work together, especially when it comes to supervision of modeling. So I wish you all the best in your career. Make sure you don't stop at MSc. From MSc, go and take your PhD form. And I want to see you as professors and leaders in various places in a few years to come. Okay? I wish you the best.